Okay, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to program spindle speed, start and stop the spindle, feed rate overrides, and how to turn the coolant on and off.
So you want to go to your MDI screen, and if you want your speed to be 1000 RPM, you press S, 1000. MO3 is clockwise. Enter. You'll see it pop up there. Close the door and press cycle start. That'll turn your spindle on. And then down here, you can turn your spindle off by pressing stop. We can go forward, we'll turn it back on again. And we can go reverse, that'll go counterclockwise. Also here, we can manually control the spindle RPM if we want it to go a little bit faster.
Point to where the spindle speed indicates on the screen.
It'll be right there. Back to 100%. And then we can also manually override the feed rates by 10%. And then also the rapids, 5%, 25, 50, and 100. And to turn the coolant on, go to your coolant button here.
It's okay. That's how you turn it on. We don't want to turn it on because we still have setups to do.